Hey there, fellow content creators. Today, we're going to dive into the world of video ranking and explore the concept of tier ranking your own videos. Now, I'm not talking about ranking your videos in terms of views, likes, or shares. I'm referring to the quality and content of your videos. Think of it as a self-evaluation process to help you improve your content and reach your full potential as a creator. So, how do you go about tier ranking your own videos? Well, start by watching your videos with a critical eye. Ask yourself, is this the best I can do? If the answer is no, then it's time to step up your game. Consider the production value, the storytelling, the editing, and the overall message you're trying to convey. Are there any areas that you need use to invest in better equipment? Or perhaps you need to spend more time on scripting and storyboarding. Remember, this is a journey, and it's all about growth and learning. So don't be too hard on yourself, but do challenge yourself to create the best content possible. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content creator tips. Until next time, keep creating and keep improving.